Hello guys, it's Chance Peter here and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw some super hyper realistic character hair in Adobe Illustrator with just your computer mouse. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the artwork from the previous tutorial that we shaded, but one thing is missing. This hair has not been shaded. It's not real, it's just dark. We need to give it depth and dimension. So now the hair is just black and it's not looking realistic at all. So what we're going to do, we are going to create a new layer for hair shading, which is going to be on top of all the layers here. We are going to call this one hair. This is good. Now the tools that we're going to use to draw this one are the pencil tool here, the gradient tool, which is this one here, and also we are going to use the stroke tool here. So now what we do, click on the gradient tool here and make sure the stroke tool is on top like this one. Then we can click on our pencil tool here. So now click on the gradient tool here. We bring this gradient slider to the side. We bring also this one to the extreme end. Click on this gradient slider and click on the color picker here. Then we can pick the black color on the hair like this, and this gradient slider will be black. We'll do the same this side. Pick the eyedropper tool and pick the color on the hair. Both sides will be black. And then now we need to put another gradient slider in the middle, which will be the highlight itself. So later it's going to create that nice fade. So we need to place this gradient slider at 50% like this. Then now double click on it and we can make it white around here. This one is good. Now we can reduce the opacity to at least 40% or 50. I mean the middle gradient slider, we reduce the opacity to 50%. Let's choose the linear gradient. It's a radial, but we need the linear gradient here. So now we can pick our pencil tool and try to draw and see how this one looks. This is nice. Yes, this one is good. So now we are going to turn off all other layers except the photo layer, so we can draw on the hair itself where we see the highlights on the hair. We draw them using the pencil tool. So the stroke weight we are using is 1 point, which is this one. You can increase if you want to, if you want 2 points or 3 or 0.75. You can do that too, but for now we're going to use stroke weight of 1 point. So let's draw. These are the highlights. We draw them using the pencil tool like this. Draw like this, like this. We just draw random S-bends on the place of the highlight. Try to mimic that fade. You don't necessarily need to draw straight lines. They have to be like at least S-bends somehow. Let's see how they look. This is nice. We turn off the base color. Then we keep on drawing again. Let's see. This is nice. We turn off the base color again and continue drawing. There's some here. So it's the same process that we'll be doing until the end of the tutorial, guys. We just draw where we see the highlights. Let's see how it looks. Nice guys, it's coming. So the rest of the things we can do is to copy our stock lines, make multiple copies of them, try to create that fade.